Let's talk about the vocabulary. We did this as a group activity, but for you, I'm just going to go ahead and give you the vocabulary. The mean is always the average, and so you find that by adding the numbers in the data set, and then dividing by the amount of numbers. So I'm going to give you an example really fast. So if you have like 3, 7, and 10, you would add 3 plus 7 plus 10, and then when you're all done, you're going to divide by 3, since there's 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's talk about median. Median, as you should already know, is the middle number. I'm not spending too much time on these because we've already covered these for a good couple, 2-3 weeks. In fact, we've done it several times, so this is just a review. Middle number of a data set. So if you have like 3, 5, 8, 9, and 10, the middle of the data set would be 8. Okay, that would be the median. Mode always means most. It's the number you see most in the data set. Okay, notice I keep saying data set, a set of numbers. So for instance, if you have 1, 18, 19, 19, 20, your mode would be 19 because we have the most of 19s. Okay, sometimes you don't have a mode, and sometimes you have more than one mode. Say for instance we had 2 20s. I could say my mode is 19 and 20. All right, next let's talk about range. Range is taking the largest number, which is the maximum, minus the smallest number, which is the minimum of a data set. Okay, so let me show you. Let's say 10, 15, 21, 30. So say that's your data set. You would take this number, and you would subtract them to get your range. Lastly, to find total just means when you add up, you add the data set. So if you have, for instance, 10, 12, and 18, then you would add 18 plus 12 plus 10. So in this case, you would get 40. Okay, so that's what total means. Make sure that you pause this and write everything down because you're going to need it for your next steps.